Today I am joined by Robert Reffkin. He is the co-founder and CEO of Compass. Fresh off of the Bell podium, he was also our bell ringer today, opening up the U.S. equity markets. It's a pleasure to have you in studio.
I'm glad to be here. Thank you.
So you were here 4 years ago when you went public with us. Now being back on that Bell podium, how does it feel?
It felt good. We went public before the housing market turned, and right now the market is starting to come back. We're seeing signs of life, so it feels good.
What would you say sets Compass One apart from other competitors on the market right now?
Yes, so at Compass, we are the largest brokerage firm in the country by sold volume. We have nearly 40,000 agents combined. We have invested $1.7 billion in technology for our real estate agents that puts all of their tools into one place. It's an end-to-end platform where the average agent in the country has to log into 11 different tools to do their job. At Compass, they can log into one.
But let's talk more about Compass One. What would you say was the motivation behind creating this platform? What are you trying to achieve?
And so Compass One was launched this week, and it's our first entry into the consumer experience, where it gives the end-to-end product to them that we've given to our agents. So it provides 24/7 transparency into every step of the process, before, during, and after the transaction for buyers, for sellers, and owners of multiple homes.
And you've often spoke about the power of technology in real estate. How has the evolution of technology, especially AI, how has that shifted the current market conditions?
Yeah, so for AI, we call it AI for AI, artificial intelligence to empower agent intelligence.
Yeah.
Ultimately, agents are at the center of the transaction. They're entrepreneurs, 1.4 million strong, largest group of entrepreneurs in the country. And technology for them, like all professionals in other industries, has empowered them to accomplish more. So we create tools to help them grow their business, better serve their clients, and lower their operating costs.
Can you dive in a little bit deeper on that, about the tools that Compass One offers to both buyers and sellers to make that transaction more seamless?
Yeah, so what it provides, and I became a client of Compass One, which is great. It has a full transaction timeline. So what happens when, before, during, after the transaction? When's the first month payment? When's the second month payment? When's the electrician coming in? When is the appraiser coming in? When do you need to have escrow, title, the loan scheduled? And so a full transaction timeline. The average timeline has 50 different events in it, in tasks. Tells you who's supposed to do what when. Then you have the CMA there, you have all the documents, e-signature, the collaborative search, open house feedback. You have the tours that you visit, when you visited, any comments on that. It really puts everything in one place so that you don't have to have 53 different emails.
Robert, I do want to get your take on the broader real estate landscape right now, especially with rising interest rates and inventory challenges. What trends right now are shaping the broader housing industry for the rest of the year?
So mortgage rates are still elevated. It's been above 7% for the first month of the year. It looks like today we'll dip below 7% for the first time. The 10-year is down around 6 basis points today. I would expect this year to look a lot like last year. Last year, we saw 4 million existing home sales. That was the lowest level of transactions in 29 years. The price was up 6% last year. This year, I would expect the price to be up 2.5%.
And what should be on investors' minds, especially those who are not only looking for maybe their first home, but maybe for an investment property?
If you're an investor looking for an investment property, what should be on your mind is finding a great agent, and I have 40,000 of them for you.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. It was a pleasure having you on the show, and congratulations again.
Thank you.
Again, that was Robert Reffkin. He's the co-founder and CEO of Compass.